My name is Fiona Newell and I'm Professor of Experimental Psychology in the Institute of Neuroscience and the School of Psychology in Trinity. I'm also the Director of the Multisensory Perception and Cognition Lab, and we conduct research on how the senses send information to the brain and how does the brain organize and process that sensory information in order to create a coherent perception of the world.
The reason I first got interested in this area of research is because I, like most people, find illusions very interesting. So illusions are telling us something about brain function and how brains are wired differently, perhaps, between several individuals. Now, what this means is that illusions can be used as a tool to provide insight into healthy neural function and healthy cognition.
I've always been fascinated by conscious experience. I want to understand how our brain is so efficient, how it receives abundant multisensory information and then can form a coherent experience of the world around us.
Our aim is to understand how vision, touch, and hearing all work together to help us form a perception of the world around us.
This could help to explain the relationships between objects and sounds, what makes a particular experience pleasant or unpleasant, or why some people experience certain illusions and others do not.
We hope that our findings can be applied to the rehabilitation of patients with certain sensory impairments, to making the learning process for neurodivergent children easier and has the potential to make the experience of art and architecture emotionally meaningful.
My main advice would be to find a field that you have an innate curiosity for, get informed about what it takes to work in that field, persevere, and don't be afraid to ask for help. So find what you're passionate about and let that passion drive you and fuel your work, curiosity, and research.
I would say don't worry if you don't have all the answers going in. Research is all about asking the right questions and developing the skills you need to answer them.
It is through our senses that we construct a perception of the outside world. This is shaped by our individual experience.
Our lab's research is important because integrating multisensory information has many applications in industry, design, healthcare, and the arts.